Hello everyone, welcome to next lecture on linear equation in two variables. In today's lecture, we are going to solve some more examples on simultaneous equation. In the last three lectures, I have already discussed some examples and super easy method to solve simultaneous equation. The link is given in the description box. You can use that link and see the previous lectures. Here the example, solve the simultaneous equation. This two equation we have given, and we know that this two equation means simultaneous equation. But if you observe this equation, it's difficult and little bit changes in this equation. That is, it is not in the form of ax plus by equals to c. सभी वेरिएबल क्या है, डिवीजन के फॉर्म में. नाउ बिफोर दैट, अगर अभी तक के आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो रेड बटन है यहाँ पे वीडियो के नीचे सब्सक्राइब का, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो और साइड में आपको मैथमेटिक्स दिखेगा, जो आइकॉन है फोटो उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो ताकि आप मेरी जो प्लेलिस्ट है जिसके अंदर अभी तक के सभी वीडियोस जितने भी मैंने डाले वो सभी आपको यूनिट वाइज लेक्चर्स वहाँ पे मिलेंगे और क्लास वाइज भी उसमें लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल हैं. तो जिस पर्टिकुलर क्लास का या फिर यूनिट का वीडियो आपको चाहिए उस फोल्डर पे जाके आप पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर्स को देख सकते हैं. उसी तरह से वीडियो के नीचे आपको जिस वीडियो को आप प्ले करते हो उस वीडियो के नीचे ही आपको लाइक का बटन दिखेगा, उसको भी प्रेस करना है और साइड में शेयर लिखा हुआ है, उस शेयर पे क्लिक करोगे तो यू कैन शेयर माई वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स through WhatsApp, Facebook and other options are available and it's completely free. Now let's start to solve our question. In this question, the variable x and y in the division form. So our first step, we have to shift this variable in a multiplication. And we know that if the variables are in division, then to shift in the multiplication, we have to multiply this equation by that variable. So here equation 1 contain x and y in the division, so we multiply this equation 1 by x into y. And similarly in equation 2, both variable in division, so again in the equation 2 we have also multiply by xy. After here multiply this xy throughout the equation, then here x into y, so xy divided by x get cancelled, here we get y. In this way we multiply this xy throughout the equation, then we get new equation. So here 148 into y, because in the division here it is x and we multiply xy, so x cancel and we get remaining y. Similarly corresponding to second, y get cancelled and remaining is x, so here plus 231 into x equals to 527. And in equation number 2 we get 231 into y plus 148 into x equals to 610. Now I just rewrite this equation simply containing variable x term and then after variable y term. So here equation 231x plus 148y is equals to 527, and here 148x plus 231y is equals to 610. Now here we get this new equation. We consider this is equation A and equation B, and we know that if in the super easy method we have already discussed, if the coefficient of x is similar to coefficient of y in equation 2 and coefficient of y in equation 1 is similar to coefficient of x in equation 2, then we have to use super simple method. In this method we first add this equation a and b and then subtract this equation a and b, so we get new equations. So here if we add equation a and equation b, then here coefficient of x, we take the addition of this term, we get 3 7 9x, then plus similarly coefficient of y, here variables are similar, so addition remains same. Here 379y is equals to, add this term, then we get 1137. Now divide by 379 throughout, because in the left hand side 379 is common, so we take common and divide by this term, then we get left hand side is x plus y is equals to, right hand side is 1137 divided by 379. Now next work is we have to divide this 1137 by 379, but we don't know the table of 379. Then we have to, so here we take the one number here in the multiplication of this number. After the multiplication we get the here new number that contains last digit is similar as this. If we take 3 and multiply this number, then we get last digit is 7. तो चेक करते हैं हम इससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या आता है. तो ये हो जाएगा 7 2 कैरी, then 7 into 3 21 plus 2 that is 23, 2 remain, then 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 2 is 11. It means 1137 is completely divisible by 379, and division, after division we get, so here this number ones out, here it is 3. So x plus y is equals to 3. Here we take this new equation, that is equation number capital A. Now in second step we have to subtract these two equations. Here equation A is this one and equation B is this. Now subtract these two equations, then here the subtraction of this number is, here multiply this minus sign, then 231 minus 148. If we subtract, then we get here 83x, and similarly 48 minus 231. So here minus 231, so subtraction same, but here sign of this big number is minus, so it is minus 83y is equals to, here subtraction of these two number is minus 83. Now here 83 is similar, then take 83 common in left hand side and divide by 83. So here right hand side is again contain 83, so throughout 83 get cancelled, then remaining is x minus y is equals to minus 1. This is a new equation, equation number D. So therefore equation capital A is x plus y is equals to 3, and equation capital B is x minus y equals to minus 1. See, this equation is very simple to solve and find the value of variable. So now add these two equations, because coefficient of y is plus and here coefficient of y is minus. If we add this equation, then one variable is eliminated. So addition of these two equations is a plus b is equals to twice x plus 0, then here right hand side is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So therefore divide by 2, then we get x equals to 1. Now put the value of x equals to 1 in any one equation. If we put this value in equation number A, then here put x equals to 1 in equation capital A, then we get here x plus y equals to 3, x is 1, so here 1. Now therefore if we shift this 1 in the right hand side, then it is minus, then we get value of y, that is y equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. In this way we can easily find solution of a simultaneous equation. Therefore we can say solution of our simultaneous equation is x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. this is the solution of our simultaneous equation.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.